Hello everyone. I'm still messing around with the settings of the stream because I'm doing live coding, non-music, and I forgot to update the stream title and stuff like that. And that's so embarrassing. Like, okay, it happens when you do different stuff. Like different kind of streams. But yeah. I think now the information is right, at least, because this is definitely live coding stream. Okay. I think the music is quite okay-ish now. On a quite okay-ish level. Let's have a bit more light here. Oh, I've had such a crazy day today. I was just checking out some how to make NDI stuff happening, because I think I might want to stream from other room the music streams now, as I have keyboard there and it's heavy. The new keyboard is heavy. And yeah, I don't wanna carry it around in my apartment. Okay, let's check out, put some shoutouts. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is this. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry about the slow start of the stream today, but this is just how it is sometimes. Okay. One shout out posted. Some more to do. For example, this one. No, that one. Where else? Where else? Where else? I think here I get the automatic ones. Yes. I'm so sorry about all this. Okay, yeah, let's start code something. Let's start to code something. Open Bonzomatic. I want to just chill today. Do something nice. Last time we did the heart. That was amazing. And that's very wrong directory. Yes. Offline. Yes. So this was what we built last stream, during the last stream. I'm making tea here at the same time. Just want to check that it's not like over. I don't want to overdo it. So I'm just gonna do a slight operation of getting the tea bag out of the tea. Yeah. Yes, now I have tea and water, and that's good. It's good to have something to drink while coding. Okay. So, as I said, I want to do something just I don't know. Just see what happens kind of thing. Maybe build up on this. How we can do different kind of hearts, or maybe do something completely different. Yeah. I'm gonna start from this goat, though, because I don't... Like, why should I always write everything from the scratch? But then again, writing everything from the scratch is good. It's good. Okay. Maybe I do that. Maybe I just remove that shader and start it from the scratch. That means we have this very different kind of scene. As a base scene, yeah. And it's blinking like crazy. Last time I did the... Where do I have coal? 44? Oh. So yeah, let's just get rid of this code here. And start from very different thing. I don't know where my brain is, but that's kind of the thing that happens usually, so it's okay, I'm used to it. And if you'd watched my streams before, you must be used to it too, so yeah. I'm just kind of contemplating about perspective or trying something isometric. Because there is stuff in isometric things that I kind of like. And maybe I can do something with that. I'm gonna dig up some references from shaders. So basically here, what we can do is to say that the ray origin is related to the UV somehow. In my case, Q. For example, like this. And the ray direction is very like fixed. In this kind of setting. Let's see if I can do anything with this, because this is completely different that I've ever used to do, basically. I'm just doing cube for testing purposes, and I might use this in the scene otherwise too. Like, why not? Oh right, I was in middle of writing something. Minimum of maximums. And today we are listening scene set function. Scenes at radio station from the internet. Oh my god. Maximum of these two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Minute 0. Oh. Case sensitive stuff. 39. What happens? 39. Oh. Many errors happens there. But yeah, I need the scene here, as I need to sample it for marching purposes.
You baby, baby, give me your number.
Now we have a black box here. Hi Aiming, how are you? Why don't I have timestamps in my chat? I want to have timestamps. Doing good, that's good to hear. Okay, I don't know. Playing around with Blender, that's nice. What are you doing? Or is it just like playing around? Polar bear floating on a graphics card. Oh my god, that's awesome. Is it for some purpose? Yes, it's for something. Okay. I hope to see where it is at some point. And I guess I will. I have a very good feeling about that. I will. Okay, now we have some isometric perspective, as you probably can see. Let's continue with shading. Right, and normals as well. Maybe we can have some base color here as well.
Is C64.
Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Like I expected.
Not a world of words, but of things that you cannot express.
I don't know. I'm just gonna put this magic value here first, and then just check things out. Yay. Perspectives are so kind of neat.
Not a world of words, but of things that you cannot express.
We know it's a cube, but now the perspective is just skewed because I want to try it. Try and see what happens. To kind of make sure that this is the correct thing that I think it is. There's still something wonky there. Well, we'll see what it is. Well, we start building the scene for real, like real. Let's make a fractal out of it for a bit, and then something else.
Radio.
If I do the rotations here. Alright, these are quite small because we are now in in this very smallish universe. Okay, we have some sort of scene now. We have some sort of shading we can do, and we can try to do the same ambient occlusion trick that we had the other time. Which just like samples the scene and tells how close things are there. Epsilon times n divided by the epsilon that we are using here. Mm-hmm. That didn't matter that much. Then we are gonna do this like sometimes to have different samples over the hemisphere. We don't even need this last step here. We can do with white. Few steps actually. Let's just make that go a bit further. Yeah. And I think we're quite done. Or just like, let's take smaller steps. This method is a method that I learned from one of Lapine's shaders. And I'm now kind of just checking how it works on my scene. can also average this out a bit. Maybe take the third sample in here as well and just keep on averaging it. Maybe not just like doing average, but like almost average. Okay. Now let's fiddle with this. This can be also but that like no use for that. Okay. Can I do some Luget thing here? Even though all the other stuff is not. Of course I can. Target minus the origin. Of course, static shape would be better for this. Static shape, not shape, but like static. I don't know what I mean. Not animated screen. That's what I mean. But I'm animating it, so tough luck for me. Did we actually do this? Oh yes. Let's make some FFT sync. That looks like like handshaking, like the stuttering. Yeah, maybe we just take a bit off from that. Oh, right. I took the wrong FFT. That makes sense.
It's time for us to go outside. Hello, Earth, can you hear us? We're in the airlock now and the door is opening. In just a few seconds, we'll have our first close look at the surface. It's so difficult to believe we're actually here. The barrenness is hard to believe. Not the slightest sign of life anywhere. Nothing but the rocks and dust glaring in the sun.
I kind of like this, but I want to try this one out just for the sake of stuff.
Shadows, which are sharper and harder than any seen on Earth. It's almost a monochromatic world. Monochromatic world, like an old-fashioned sepia photograph. Deep black shadows, hard to believe. It's almost hard to believe. Yeah, like a monochromatic world. Good heavens, it's so bleak. Deep black monochromatic world. The sky is black on a tree, on a blade of grass, on nothing. Sky
I don't know how well this, if I have like frame skip or something. Okay, yeah, I have a bit frame skip. Bit of a frame skip here and there. Okay, maybe I don't step this far. Maybe just like 80. Okay, it's a bit smoother.
What in heaven's name is that?
Sounds like music. Music I've never heard before. Scares me stiff. Can I hear a voice there? It's nothing to be scared of. None of us is going to be hurt. There are things out here, even on the fringe of space, you don't comprehend. Monochromatic world. Monochromatic world, like an old-fashioned sepia photograph. Deep black shadows, hard to believe. Almost a closer, hard to believe. Yeah, like a monochromatic world. Good heavens, it's so bleak. Deep black monochromatic world. The sky is black, black on a tree, on a blade of grass, on nothing. Sky is black heavens. And there it is. Monochromatic world, like an old-fashioned sepia photograph. Deep black shadows, nothing sharper and black, harder.
This shouldn't matter, but still. Oh, it's this. A tiny, tiny thing. Okay, let's enhance some colors. Okay, then some vignetting maybe. That. Hi. This is just the basic infinite stuff done with for loops and just subtracting the shapes from each other.
Buonasera. Riesco metterò.
But I like it too. It's kind of... I just don't like the disconnection stuff, but the thing is that if I put this... if I make more steps, you will have very visible frame drops. like even more visible than now. So yeah, I'm just like ignoring it for now.
Herzlich willkommen zu der Demo Day.
Yeah, there might be some fix to do that. But it might be also the just discontinuity because of the scene, like how it's constructed. Because there's like very tightly overlapping stuff. Overlapping space. The one thing that I wanted to do was some vignetting, and I'm just gonna again copy paste this because I'm lazy. And I know what I'm doing basically. Here.
You can tell by the t-shirts and the wristbands. That's the time to get your entries fixed and be the best there is. Prinsley's and they sing yodelay, and you're like, peace, you rock. Totally. That is so cool how you play that argally, and I totally forget all my zergally. See my car, my house, my girls, and my Prinsley. It's my job, my yacht, my plane, it's my Prinsley. I'll see my car, my house, my girls, and my Prinsley. It's my job, my yacht, my plane, it's my Prinsley. Prinsleys, and they sing yodelay. You meet the Prinsleys, and they sing yodelay. You meet the Prinsleys, and they sing yodelay. You meet the Prinsleys, and they sing yodelay. They'll see my car, my house, my girls, and my Prinsley. It's my job, my yacht, my plane, it's my Prinsley. They'll see my car, my house, my girls, and my Prinsley.
But despite the artifacts, I still like this.
Our weekend, ladies and gentlemen, the demo days.
Okay, I could tune the FFT bit down though. The usual problem with FFT sync. You need to know the audio very well to do something decent. And this time I have isometric perspective. Wanted to try that for a change, so yeah. Ah. So how are you, Crunch? How are you doing? Hi Hamza, how are you? And how are you doing, Hamza? Alive? Okay, I hope. Well, that's good. Like, good starting point that you are alive. But yeah. I'm glad that you are alive. I really am. I'm okay. A bit exhausted, but okay. I was testing some NDI stuff earlier, so maybe I can have my music streams from the other room. So I don't need to carry the piano here, because I really can't. It's heavy. The music is slapping. Oh yeah, it seems at radio that we are listening here today. And basically always on my coding streams. And thank you Stream Elements for stating that. But tomorrow I won't have a stream because I have a friend coming over here, so I want to spend time with him instead. Always super lovely to see you live. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Friends come first. Yeah. That means also you people over there. You are important. And I mean every one of you. You're all friends come first. Well, that's true too, because it's not that it's a rare occasion these days to see friends. So I think at least I value it differently now than I probably did before. Even though I did like value friends and seeing friends then quite a lot too. Now I'm just like mesmerized by the shape and just like staring at it. Should we do some changes, or is this like the thing that we are happy with? Is there still the white lines that I can't fix? Yeah, I like it too. I'm thinking if I should try to do some kind of intro for some party soonish. Yeah, the real life interactions changed these 2 years and even before. Yeah, that's true. And I'm very lucky and privileged to have this kind of bubble of friends that I can see. I think so. So the color thing that I use here is the very, very basic gradient done with the UV coordinates and some slight changes over time, and then just using it here as a base color for the shape and as a highlight color. I use a different variation of it. So that's why sometimes it blinks like totally different color there. It's because it's very unrealistic shading. Okay, then we have some motion blur. Some motion blur here. We could have more. We could have more. All the motion blur. Oh yeah, no, not all the motion blur. Then some color space, tuning, vignetting the black, kind of focusing to the center of the picture. Yeah. And shading, it's basically Phong shading with, or plain Phong shading with two, like the Lambertian color and the specular color, which are these two different colors this time. And the ambient occlusion trick that I used in the heart-shaped box thing last week as well, from Flopine. Otherwise, it's just like the basic ray marching loop. Two shapes that are subtracted from each other. Some space folding happening in both of the shapes. If I comment the space folding away, it will look really nice, I think, even without it. Although I did change some sizes. But that's basically the basic thing. With the first space folded shape and with the second space folded shape, making it like Swiss cheese. The rotation stuff and the box. Just a box, nothing more complex here. I still don't tick the lines though. I don't know how to get rid of it. Rotating toasts with hearts is exactly the thing here. It's just have like many toasts folded and then just like folded toasts with folded molds that cuts away some toast, and then they are like just rotated within each other. That's basically the shape. I'm just like checking if anything helps. Basically this helps, so we are actually culling the shape quite a bit. So yeah, I think that the like uneven stuff is in the shape. And there's not much that we can do for that. We should have like more steps. But I can't have more steps here because the internet will explode and the frame skip will be massive. That's what will happen if I do that. So I'm not gonna do that. I will put the shader to my GitHub after the stream. I do that to all of my shaders that I've done during the live coding sessions. Whether it's like my own stream or competition or something like shader jamming in general. So you can find shaders from last year and this year and so on there. Some shaders I'll put also to my shader toy account. There are some socials links on Linktree, and you can find also the shader toy link there. So if you want to check out those, they are mostly some old stuff I've made during 2018 and before that. I don't know why I don't put so much shaders there anymore. But the last week's heart-shaped box is there, so you can check that out from there. What else? Yeah. No stream next week. Thanks for the hype. Yeah, no streams next week because I'm taking a break from streaming and try to do some testing to finalize the setup of music stream. Next week, I mean the week starting tomorrow, because for me the week starts like from Monday. So this week, if you start this week on Sunday. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Hamza. Yes, I have something planned for the week and also like all the setup stuff. If you need help with NDI, hit me up. Oh, thanks. I got it working on the Twitch stuff. Now I just need to see if actually my laptop can do anything. And how much latency there are, because I know that my laptop doesn't handle audio very well, even with the mixer that I have. So I like to have the NDI source is the laptop that I'll be streaming from, and my PC here will be decoding the stream. Encoding the stream and sending it out to the world, and yeah. And I hope to have the audio connected to this computer actually. So I need to do some latency adjustment there most likely. So yeah, but if I come across with some problems, I'll definitely ask help for that. I'll ask help in the Discord. So yeah. There is a Discord. It's pretty quiet place, but there are some nice people, like all the people there are nice. And also I tried to get the automated streaming shoutouts to work so that if you stream you can have shoutouts there, so we can find each other's streams easier. And also I want to start this songwriting squads thing, where we can write songs together, maybe once a month. But I haven't yet figured out like the dates and stuff like that. But I hope to do it soonish. So yeah. I think it's a very good time to try to find someone to raid. So let's do that. And let's end this stream. Let's go to Chips and Breaks because, well, Demoscene loves Demoscene. And yeah. Let's go to say hi. Hi there and watch some retro demos. Have a nice evening. Bye. Thank you, Hamza.